just throw it that way. Hold on.
The wind is coming.
That's fine. We're going to throw it that way.
Okay. That'll be like a fly on the wall, Howard.
Can't get over how well that little thing flies out here in that breeze.
That's incredible. Beautiful.
Does this have a gyro in it too?
It does.
Wow, look at how tiny that motor is.
Isn't that incredible? There's hardly anything there.
We don't know what the thing is.
Wow.
I wonder how it stays up there in this wind, huh?
That's like an like a can of empty pop it weighs about.
Yeah. Whoops. Didn't get that on.
Are those
camera,
the servos right there?
Yeah.
Wow, those things are tiny.
Yeah, see the motor that runs them? Let's see. See
That little silver thing?
that little silver thing right there is the motor
Oh
that
yeah,
runs
you can
it.
see the gears off
And they're
of it.
linear rather than rotational. It runs back and forth, the servo. Runs back and forth.
Like a little screw sleeve in there. Like
yeah.
a garage door opener
Right.
almost.
You gotta always
Screwdriver
stay on
garage
'em 'cause
door
they get a
opener.
little bit of dirt and shit in them. They're done. They jam real easy.
I bet.
Yeah, there's threads on that thing and they're so minute.
Does the motor have it automatically stop with a propeller like that? Is that why it did that?
No.
And this has the same servos?
Yeah.
Oh, those are little suckers.
This one's more powerful though. And smaller. This one's got a lot more nads to it.
That little thing just sets on there and doesn't blow off?
It's got a magnet.
Oh, okay.
And as long as you notice it isn't doing anything, no noise.
You gotta go full throttle and then back
As
down.
soon as I touch the throttle, but I got the throttle set on the helicopter mode, so the throttle doesn't do nothing.
Oh.
Now this one will hang.
How do we get around here behind you?
Oh.
Try doing the rudder the opposite direction.
I don't know if I can do that again.
Yeah. Brake the propeller so you can stop
Yeah, that's how the cars are. When you do it, it dynamically stops.